Alright, we're unboxing our dash cam here. We just got it in from Amazon Prime. We're headed down to the French bakery. Do a little cruise, see what the traffic looks like. So here's first gear. There's 25 miles an hour. There's 45 miles an hour. Going guys, welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Eben, and definitely be sure to subscribe so you can watch this important stuff later. Let's kick it off. We're unboxing our dash cam here. We just got it in from Amazon Prime. Cost 199 bucks. And all we do is go ahead and just open her up. It's okay. Cute little boogers. Already bought one for my car, and this is for a friend's car. So we're just gonna quick unbox it. Came in about 2 days from Amazon. There she is, the Vantrue dash cam. And it's the N2 Pro. Got your little slip inside the box. And the only thing I didn't like about it was it didn't come with a memory card. So I actually went out and bought a SanDisk memory card, and this seems to work just fine. And this is a high quality card. Has a good download rate for HD, because this is 1080p for both forward and backward. And I'll show you here. Real easy to open. Looks like it got a little bang, I think. I think it's been dropped, but it should be fine in here. They package them pretty good. Owner's manual, pretty straightforward. It's all in a cushion, so it should be fine. And here we are. There it is. Vantrue. You can see the little lens cover on it. You just peel that right off and you're good to go. There's your back cam. Here's your screen. This is the button you hit when, say you get a little fender bender, hit that and it'll auto save it. And this has like infrared in the back, so when it's dark out, you can completely be seen. And this is swivel. So if you have like a pickup truck or something where you want it so you can see everything behind you, because you have it mounted lower or higher, you're still good. This back cam is 1080 and this one is 1080. However, if you run only one camera, it's 440. And that's pretty much it. So you have to throw the memory card in. You got all your other plugs. You got your standard power cable. Just like so. That plugs right into the dash. You got your suction cup. This is a really good quality suction cup. It's just amazing. You can take it in and out of any car. And the best thing I like too about it is when you want to take this with you, all you do is slide this straight in this groove and it just slides straight in. And you'll hear it click. That's it. And you're good to go. So that suctions right to the window. Back cam forward, you're good. And here's your USB. This is the USB cable that plugs into the dash cam, and then the USB goes right into your USB in your car. And this, actually the cool part is it plugs into this mount right here. So when you take the cam off, you're not re-plugging it into the camera and all that. Once you plug it in this mount, you're set. So it's a really convenient setup, you know, for 200 bucks for this. The memory card is like 20 bucks. For that type of money, to get in a little fender bender, not have to go to court, have proof, I think it's so worth it. You know, I had a little fender bender recently. Now I'm going to court proving that it wasn't my fault because I didn't have any proof. So I took photos of the way the accident happened, but I still have to finish it. So I think this is a great tool. It also has a parking mode. So when you park your car, someone bumps your car, there's a motion detector. It'll also get video of people in front of your car. So that's a nice piece. To go ahead and install it, all you do is open up your memory card. You can do a bigger one, 32, in this little teeny micro card, little 32. That just goes right into here. And once you put this in, you're good to go. This swivels. This goes here, right in. Little pressure clip. Go here, close it up, and you're good to go. The only thing I do to get this started, I take off this little flat screen, I take off this little lens protector, I take this guy right here, just plug and play, and that's it. All I do from here is plug this into the car for power, and suction cup this on the mirror, adjust it, make sure it's square, and you're good to go. All right. On my N2 dash cam, and it's all getting wrapped up right now. We're going to go for a test drive, but first I'm going to show you guys how to reformat the memory card, and then you can make sure it's all cleaned up. So there it is. It's right there, right underneath my mirror. That's the camera facing me. That's got the infrared for nighttime. And you'll see right up here, there's a little teeny clip that's actually in the front. There's the N2, and you actually push it up. And when you push this, so I just plugged it back in, and now we're gonna go ahead and reformat so you can see me with my camera looking at it. And then you can see me waving in the little screen there. See that? So it's 5 minutes, it'll just re-loop and do video. So we're gonna stop it. So now we paused it. Now we're gonna go to the menu. And now we're gonna do our setup. So we're gonna toggle through. We're gonna go to System Setup. And no, we're gonna go back to System. And we wanna go to Format. So languages, format. We're going to select format. Do you want to format? Okay. So we're going to erase everything on it. Format successful. So now we're just going to go out and drive. So to go back, we hit this, back. Now we got the camera on forward and backward mode. We got it all perfectly lined up. And I'm going to start recording, and we're going to go for a drive. All right. All right, we're headed down to the French bakery. One of my favorite places to go for breakfast. It's really nice, quiet, relaxing, get my early day kicked off. So you're going to see what it's like to do a little cruise, see what the traffic looks like. So I'll give you guys some speed references as we're driving here. I'm pulling out. So here's first gear. There's 25 miles an hour. There's 45 miles an hour. There's 45. So just so you can see kind of what traffic looks like. So right now the car ahead of me is about 15 feet away, 20 feet. Alright, we're headed down to the French bakery. One of my favorite places to go for breakfast. It's really nice, quiet, relaxing, get my early day kicked off. So you're going to see what it's like to do a little cruise, see what the traffic looks like. So I'll give you guys some speed references as we're driving here. I'm pulling out. So here's first gear. There's 25 miles an hour. There's 45 miles an hour. There's 45. So just so you can see kind of what traffic looks like. So right now the car ahead of me is about 15 feet away, 20 feet. Now he's about a full car length right there. So the car ahead of me, that Honda, is one car length away. So it looks a little further than you'd expect with the fisheye lens. First gear, second gear. There's 45 miles an hour. There's 50, 48. So I got cruise control set at 48 miles an hour. And that's what it looks like. All right. I think this camera is something that everybody should have. If you can get one better, if there is one better, I recommend you do it. But you know, how much money are you going to spend? You know, this is a $200 camera. The memory card's 20 bucks. You know, I don't know how much money a 4K camera would be on front and back, and you know, then you're going to need a lot more memory card space. So you know, if you can get one for 500 or 1,000 bucks and get a better camera, do it. It'll pay for itself. You know, because I would say everything that I've done so far, between gas money, my personal time, I would say I'm coming up on $600 of wasted time. So the camera is nothing. So we're here at the French bakery. It's right over here. It's right here to the right. And we're parking here. And that's it. All right. The camera is nothing. So we're here at the French bakery. It's right over here. It's right here to the right. And we're parking here. And that's it. All right. We'll be back. YouLubher. Hello, my French friends. We are here at the Liskermans French bakery. Right here, Sahiri and Villeview. And this is a very, very comfy kif. Let me show you why it's so comfy. See this here? Look at that. Look at this. Oh, is my favorites right here, pistachio. So the peoples that do the beautiful craftsmanships, look at those baguetteska. Super, super good baguetteska. I see you here at the Liskermans. So I'm gonna quick go over the photos that I took of the accident so you can kind of see what happened. We'll quick go over it, I'll show it to you. So here's the street that I was driving down the middle lane right here. Las Vegas Boulevard. This is looking the other direction on the same street. Here's the turn where I think the truck came from, right here. Here's the middle of the street. This is the Honda that I was in. That's the truck. He came and hit the front, blew off the bumper. There's from another angle. And there's the Uber Lyft car that I put, what did I put? 20,000 miles on an oil change. You'll see that in my videos. There's where I was about the time that I got hit right there. I think he cut real tight inside. Here's the intersection from another angle. That's about, the truck was right about here. That's about where the car's hit, right here. Police report that I would have had to pay if I would have been at fault. Here's the outcome. The date that it started, 6/7/89. So basically, what? Yeah, 2-3 months wasted doing all that stuff. Final thing, charge dismissed. So that's it. All right. So you can see how much time it can take to do something like that. So it's definitely worth having the camera. We're gonna wrap it up. All right, cheers to an excellent finish. I wanted to thank you guys for watching my video. Also, if you're interested in this dash camera, I have my Amazon Prime link below. I get a small commission if you order it off my link. I would really appreciate that. Also, if you have any questions on the camera, leave a comment below. I will definitely get back to you. And if you have a dash cam that you've used that you recommend to other people in the YouTube community, be sure to leave that below as well. And I really appreciate you guys. I'm going to be doing informational videos like this every single Monday, so be sure to tune in. And also in the right hand corner is my subscribe symbol. You can definitely come back and learn a lot of stuff with your car on protection. I really appreciate you guys watching Synthetic Oil Protection. My name's Eben. We'll see you guys back next week. Thanks.